Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Are you ready to breathe new life into your outdoor space with some stunning, sun-catching DIY projects? Today, we are transforming simple upcycled materials into beautiful, chiming garden art that sparkles in the daylight. Grab your crafting supplies and let's create some daytime magic for your backyard. Are you looking for a brilliant way to recycle old flatware? Grab that forgotten metal colander and some mismatched antique silver spoons and forks from your kitchen drawers. By simply stringing them together with clear fishing line, you can create a stunning and reflective garden centerpiece. The polished surfaces will catch the bright daylight, shining beautifully across your outdoor spaces while providing a gentle, classic tinkling sound every time a warm afternoon breeze rolls through your yard. Let us bring a splash of cheerful daytime color to your garden with small terracotta clay pots. Instead of planting in them, we are turning them upside down. Paint them in bright, sun-friendly hues like yellow or azure, and use thick rustic twine to hang them securely. By adding large polished wooden beads inside to act as clappers, you create an eco-friendly wind chime that looks gorgeous in the sunlight and sounds absolutely wonderful in the wind. If you happen to have leftover plumbing materials, those spare copper pipes can become something truly magnificent. Cut them into various lengths and suspend them from a simple oxidized metal ring. As the days go by, the copper will develop a beautiful natural turquoise patina that contrasts wonderfully with its polished metallic shine. They exude a warm brilliance under the bright sun, adding an upscale yet rustic industrial charm to your peaceful daytime cottage garden setting. Bring the tranquil beauty of the coast right into your backyard with a stunning sea glass and driftwood mobile. Find a sturdy, heavily weathered piece of driftwood to serve as your natural anchor. Then, carefully suspend pieces of frosted sea glass in shades of ocean blue and seafoam green below it. During the day, the bright sunlight shines directly through these translucent glass pieces, turning them into glowing, colorful prisms that beautifully illuminate your outdoor sanctuary. Here is a highly unique and creative way to repurpose an old metal kitchen whisk. Gently pry the wire loops outward to form an elegant frame. From these loops hang colorful translucent glass marbles and shiny metal washers. It is an incredibly simple project, but the results are absolutely mesmerizing. When the bright daylight hits those suspended glass spheres, it causes them to glow intensely, casting brilliant prismatic colors and light patterns all across your garden. There is something inherently magical about antique skeleton keys, and they make perfect materials for a rustic wind catcher. Gather heavy iron and brass keys and suspend them evenly from a sturdy wire hoop. You will love how the sunlight highlights their incredible, colorful patina, revealing traces of oxidized green, rust orange, and polished gold. The golden daylight washes over these intricately shaped metal pieces, creating a striking visual contrast as they chime together in the breeze. For a more natural and earthy aesthetic that blends perfectly into your landscaping, try crafting a bamboo wind chime. Take hollow bamboo tubes of varying lengths and bind them tightly using natural jute cord. The intense sunlight beautifully catches the smooth exterior of the dried bamboo, emphasizing its highly textured, organic imperfections and colorful striations. It provides a deeply soothing, hollow wooden rustling sound that instantly turns your sunlit garden into a peaceful, eco-friendly backyard retreat. Do not throw away those old metal canning jar rings just yet. You can masterfully wire them together to form a complex, three-dimensional metallic sphere. To make it even more special, dangle smaller repurposed glass beads inside this outer cage. The bright daytime sun hits the authentic weathered texture of the tin rings and the colorful glass, scattering brilliant, prismatic rays in every direction. It is a wonderfully unique suncatcher that adds instant rustic charm. Turn a household accident into a spectacular piece of upcycled garden art. If you have broken colorful ceramic plates or bowls, carefully sand down the sharp edges and string the shards vertically. The radiant daylight strikes these pieces, highlighting the vivid, high-gloss glazes, cobalt blues, emerald greens, and vintage floral patterns. It captures the brilliant shine of the glazed ceramic alongside the raw edges, creating an intense, colorful cascade that dances gracefully in the bright sunshine. Celebrate your beachcombing memories by constructing a beautifully detailed seashell wind chime. Use a round wire frame to suspend your collection of colorful beach shells like ribbed scallops and spiraling conchs in a descending spiral pattern. The bright daylight deeply illuminates the soft pastel pinks, creamy whites, and iridescent mother-of-pearl interiors of the shells. It perfectly enhances the coastal beauty of these repurposed natural treasures, making your garden feel like a sunny, relaxing day at the beach. Give your garden a charmingly rustic farmhouse look by using upcycled vintage kitchenware. An aged metal cheese grater serves perfectly as the top canopy, showing off its colorful patches of rust and polished tin. Hang meticulously flattened vintage silver spoons from the bottom edge of the grater. The golden daylight intensely reflects off both the polished silver spoons and the oxidized tin grater, emphasizing the complex perforated textures and creating a delightfully whimsical garden art piece. That wraps up our easy garden art ideas. We showed you how upcycling everyday household items can add brilliant color, reflective light, and soothing sounds to your sunlit backyard. Which of these beautiful wind chime projects are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to KiraStyle Garden for more.